If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Today we are going to learn age calculation in Excel. Today we are going to calculate the date in Excel with the help of Datedif Function. Fine. Now we are going to find out the age of a person whose birth date is 29 September 1984. Okay, here we will find out the years, months and days. Fine. So now we will start. First we will find out the years. Just check the formula bar is equal to Datedif, open the bracket, select the cell in which the date consists, comma, then today, open the bracket, close the bracket, then comma, as we want to calculate the year, so inverted comma, y and close the bracket. Fine. Now we will calculate the months is equal to Datedif, open the bracket, select the cell in which date consists, then comma, today, open the bracket, close the bracket, comma, as we want to find out the months, so in inverted ym and close the bracket. Fine. Now we will calculate the days is equal to Datedif, open the bracket, select the date cell, then comma, today, open the bracket, close the bracket, comma, in inverted comma, as we calculate today's, then MD and close the bracket. Fine. Now the person whose birthday is 29 September 1984 is 39 years, 2 months, 6 days old. Fine. So this is how we can calculate the age with the help of Datedif function. Fine. I hope you have understood this topic. In case you have any doubts, write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Thank you.